If you're past 50, chances are your body doesn't respond quite the way it once did. Maybe your knees feel tight when you try to stand. Maybe your lower back nags after sitting too long. Or maybe your balance just isn't as steady as it used to be. These shifts don't usually arrive all at once. They sneak up slowly until one day even getting off the floor feels like a task. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. But what if I told you there's a simple, natural movement your body already remembers? One that can help restore strength, mobility, and confidence in your daily life. It's not a stretch. It's not a complicated gym move. It's something our ancestors practiced instinctively every single day. It's called the resting squat. And for most people over 50, especially in today's chair-bound culture, it's been almost completely erased. Yet this one basic posture, practiced properly and consistently, can safeguard your knees, free up your hips, ease back pain, and even improve your balance. In this video, I'll explain why it matters, how to do it safely, and why just 30 seconds a day could transform how you move. Before we dive in, drop your name and where you're tuning in from in the comments. We'd love to connect with you. Here's the reality. When you lower into a full squat and rest with your heels planted and spine upright, you're activating far more than your legs. You're re-engaging your entire movement chain. Glutes, hamstrings, calves, and core. They all fire up to stabilize you. This full-body recruitment works like natural armor for your joints, especially your knees. In fact, research, including a study in the Journal of Sports Medicine and Physical Fitness, shows that squatting through full range builds stronger knee extensors than shallow squats. That means stronger legs, steadier balance, and reduced fall risk, critical for all of us as we age. But the rewards don't end there. The squat also works on one of the most forgotten areas of mobility, the ankles. Tight ankles, common in adults over 50, shift stress upward to the knees and hips. You may not notice it immediately, but over time this builds into pain. By practicing the squat position, you gradually stretch and free your ankles, regaining lost range of motion. That improves everything. Walking, bending, climbing stairs, or simply getting out of a car. So yes, it's a basic shape, but the impact ripples across your entire life. How to practice the resting squat safely. If you're new to it, especially over 50, ease into it. No rushing, no forcing depth. This isn't about performance, it's about reclaiming a natural skill. Step 1. Setup. Stand with feet just wider than shoulders. Point toes outward about 15-30 degrees to match your hips. Step 2. Lower down. Descend slowly as if you're sitting on a low stool. Keep heels grounded. If they lift, that's just ankle tightness. Totally normal. Slip a folded towel, wedge, or book under them for support. Step 3. Find your depth. Only go as low as feels comfortable, pain-free. Ideally, hips dip just below knees, back tall, knees in line with toes. If not yet, stay higher. You'll progress with practice. Step 4. Hold and breathe. Once settled, relax into the position. Let gravity help. Rest arms forward or hold a countertop chair for stability. Begin with 3 rounds of 20 to 30 seconds daily and build toward 1 to 2 minutes per set over a few weeks. Bonus tip: sneak squat holds into daily moments while watching TV, waiting on food, or during breaks. Think of it like brushing your teeth. Small, daily consistency pays off. Who should be cautious? Though the squat is natural and generally safe, some should take care. Recent or severe knee replacement, advanced hip arthritis, severe balance or vertigo issues, recent back surgery. If that's you, consult a doctor or physical therapist first. And for everyone, remember, pain is not the goal. Stretch and muscle effort, yes. Sharp or pinching pain, stop. Helpful modifications, use support. Hold a counter, rail, or suspension strap. Raise heels, tight ankles, use a wedge, block. Shorten range, can't get low? Stay at quarter or half squat. Always prioritize control over depth. Nutrition for joint and tissue support movement alone isn't enough. Your body needs the right fuel. After 50, protein, recovery nutrients, and hydration make a huge difference. Protein, aim for 1.2 to 1.8 g per kilo of body weight daily to slow muscle loss. Collagen plus, vitamin C. Together, they boost tendon and joint repair. Omega-3s, reduce inflammation and support cartilage health. Calcium plus vitamin D, essential for strong bones. Magnesium, prevents cramps and supports recovery. Hydration, joints are like sponges. They need water to stay cushioned. Always check with your provider before adding supplements. Rest and recovery matter too. When adding squat practice, give your body space to adapt. Sleep repairs tissues, balances hormones, and actually helps you master new motor skills. Aim for 3-4 squat sessions per week, 1 to 2 minutes each, with rest days in between. Consistency, not intensity, drives progress. Active recovery, light walking, stretching, warm baths, helps reduce soreness and keep circulation flowing. Don't panic if your knees or ankles talk back early on. That's just your body waking up. More than mobility, a mind-body reset. The resting squat isn't just physical, it's grounding. It teaches patience, reconnects you to your body, and builds resilience. For many over 50, this becomes a moving meditation, a daily reminder, I'm still strong, I'm still growing. Take Greg, 67, a retired firefighter from Ohio. After decades of heavy lifting, his knees were a mess. Getting off the couch hurt. He stopped hiking, stopped playing with his grandkids. He tried therapy, rollers, even injections. Nothing stuck. Then he discovered the resting squat. He began with 15 seconds, heels on a towel, holding his counter. Week 1 was tough, ankles cramped, legs shook, but he stayed with it. By week 3, he held it a full minute. By week 6, morning stiffness eased. By month 3, he hiked 3 miles with no brace, no painkillers. Now he teaches his grandkids to squat. His words? It wasn't my knees that changed, it was my confidence. I feel like I'm aging forward, not downward. That's the real power of this practice. Your turn. If you've read this far, it means you're ready. The squat doesn't demand perfection, only presence. Just 30 seconds today, try it. Notice how your body responds, then repeat tomorrow. Small steps, repeated often, create life-changing results. Drop a comment below. Have you tried it? What did you feel? Your story might inspire someone else to begin. And if this video brought you value, please like, subscribe, and share with someone who deserves to move freely and live fully. Because aging isn't about decline, it's about momentum. Let's keep moving forward together.